When we place wood posts in the ground, the clock starts ticking. A common misconception is that moisture directly causes decay. Moisture is not the cause of decay, but moisture, oxygen, and a suitable temperature make up the conditions needed for decay to occur. When these conditions exist, hungry, soil-dwelling microorganisms see your wood post as a veritable feast. When an unprotected post is placed in the soil, it's only a matter of time before these wood-destroying organisms find their way around or through chemical preservatives, causing decay. The post protector barrier system will substantially increase the life of any post by acting as a new line of defense, separating the wood from attacking organisms, while preventing chemical preservatives from leaching into the environment. Any moisture that gets behind the post protector barrier drains down and safely exits through weep holes built right into the design.